Hello PapelShip users and potential users who are interested in using it. Today in this video, I will briefly explain how we can better protect our program, the potential protection threats we face, and exactly which methods we should use. After that, I will also prepare content about how we can integrate it into our program. Without further ado, I would like to get started. Of course, I will proceed with this assumption. If you haven't integrated PapelShip or qPapel into your project, you need to do that first. You can also find a related resource on our channel. It is also available on our website. If we start with the first things you need to do, when we enter qPapel Barda, we scroll down on the sidebar on the left. And today I will explain this. We go to the page of the server-side text library, which is the topic today. Yes, the page has opened. Now, I will explain what we need to do and what this system is used for. The server-side text library feature allows you to retrieve the values you want to set from the server via the initiative ID instead of hard-coding these values into your code. And this is truly an important feature. In this way, a valid key for your program. Like this one. You can never get this value without the key. Let's test it right away, if you like. I'll proceed with an example server called example. Here, I've compiled my project and I'm running my program. When the program opens, I see a key. I'll need to create a key for this. I've entered my information. I've copied the access key. Now I'm clicking on the second option here, because our topic is related to this. I pasted the access key and it gave me a value. You can change this value dynamically. Again, the second option and the key. Look, it's getting this value from the server. This gives you the following advantage. It allows you to change the text value dynamically, and since the server only sends this value when there is a valid key, you can also protect the critical values necessary for your program to run in this way. If someone tries to crack the program without a valid key, these values won't be available, so the program won't work. This is also an important feature. Let's test this right away if you like. I'm currently in an active license session. I'm deleting the license. After that, I try to log into Steam again, and it says, welcome. Then I remove the mandatory key check from the server-based text library. Again, I choose the second option and enter the access key, and this time we were able to get the value, but you should always open this from the parentheses. In this way, if a request is not made to our program with a valid key, it won't be able to obtain this value. Right now, the key has been deleted and the session is still ongoing. This shouldn't happen. If you enable these values remotely in the settings section via the session identifier, after a while the system will check whether the session is valid or not, and the program will close. So let's continue testing this way. The license information isn't being updated anyway, and because of this, yes, the program has already closed. In this way, you can ensure that the license session is constantly checked in real time. That's all I have to say. Against those protections nowadays that are implemented with just 4 or 5 lines of code, like if it finds this, close it. It is a very important form of protection. Remember, protection that depends on the client side is ultimately doomed to be broken. For this reason, we do not protect our systems by diversifying protections only on the server side. Always take care. I wish you a good day.